students. I am Marathur, assistant professor in chemistry, गवर्नमेंट डूंगरी कॉलेज बीकानेर। आज हम एमएससी प्रीवियस के 4th पेपर में यूनिट फर्स्ट में एंटी माइक्रोबियल एजेंट्स जो पिछले लेक्चर में चल रहा था उसे हम कंटिन्यू करेंगे। A wide range of chemical and natural compounds are used as antimicrobials. Organic acids are used widely as antimicrobials in food products. Examples: lactic acid है, citric acid, acetic acid and their salts, either as ingredients or as disinfectants. For example, beef carcasses often are sprayed with acids and then rinsed or steamed to produce the prevalence of E. coli. Copper alloys surfaces have natural intrinsic antimicrobial properties and can kill microorganisms such as E. coli, MRSA and Staphylococcus. असेंशियल ऑयल्स उसे भी एक एंटीमाइक्रोबियल एजेंट माना जाता है। जैसे हम एग्जांपल लेते हैं घरों में यूज़ होने वाला मस्टर्ड ऑयल, जिसे पिकल्स या अचार में जनरली डालते हैं, जिससे यह माना जाता है एक प्रोटेक्टिव लेयर डेवलप हो जाने के कारण इसमें बैक्टीरियल इन्फेक्शन नहीं होगा। Many essential oils include in herbal pharmacopoeias are claimed to possess antimicrobial activity with the oil of bay, cinomes, clove and thyme reported to be the most potent in studies with foodborne bacterial pathogens. Active constituents include terpenoid chemicals and other secondary metabolites. Despite their prevalent use in alternative medicine, essential oil have seen limited use in mainstream medicine, while 25 to 50% of pharmaceutical compounds are plant derived. None are used as antimicrobials. Antimicrobial pesticides. The EPA monitors product such as disinfectants, sanitizers for use in hospital or home in order to ascertain efficacy. Products that are meant for public health are therefore under this monitoring system. Once used for drinking water, swimming pool, food, sanitation, and other environmental surfaces. These pesticides products are registered under the premise that when used properly, they do not demonstrate undesirable side effects to human or environment. Even one certain products are on the marked. On the marked, the EPA continues to monitor and evaluate them to make sure they maintain efficacy in protecting public health. Now, ozone. Ozone can kill microorganisms in air, water, and processes equipment such as kitchen exhaust, ventilation, garbage rooms, grease traps, biogas plants, in-house mold and odor wastewater treatment plant, textile production, breweries, dairies, food and hygiene production, pharmaceutical industries, bottling plants, zoos, municipal drinking water systems, swimming pool and spas, and the laundering of clothes. Now the physical part of as a antimicrobial agent. Heating. Both dry and moist heat are effective in elimination both dry and moist heat are effective in eliminating microbial life. For example, jars are used to store preserves such as jam can be sterilized by heating them in a conventional oven. Heat is also used in pasteurization, a method for showing spoilage of food such as milk, cheese, juices, wines, and vinegar. Such products are heated to a certain temperature for a set period of time, which greatly reduces the number of harmful microorganisms. radiation. Foods are often irradiated to kill harmful pathogens. Common sources of radiation used in food sterilization include cobalt-60, gamma emitter, electron beam and X-rays. Ultraviolet light is also used to disinfect drinking water, both in small scale personal use system and large scale community water purification. These are some antimicrobial agents. Thank you. Have a nice day.